Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video we're going to walk you through how you buy crypto with fiat once you've got that fiat on Binance. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Right, let's get down to the desktop. So here we are on Binance. Now, as you can see, we've onboarded £57.49 in Great British Sterling. And this is the same if you have USD. Obviously, it'll show up here in your fiat balance. We're on the fiat and spot page, right? And basically, you just go to wallets up here, fiat and spot. So dead simple. But now that we've got our fiat on the exchange, we have had a few people reach out to us to say they don't know how to turn it into crypto. So all we're going to do is we're going to go up to trade here. We're going to go to spot. That will bring you onto this page. Now, obviously, if you're new and you haven't sort of invested in crypto before, this might look a little bit busy, a little bit daunting. But basically, in a nutshell, you've got your chart in the center here, which is live and it's updating as time continues. Down the side here, you've got all your different options. So you're currently on USDT, you got BUSD, you got BNB, BTC, and basically these are all the different pairs that you can sort of trade. Then you've got alts, and you can click on that. But if you go across, you've got fiat, and you can select Great British Pound or Euro, for example. Just to list a few. But we're going to go Great British Sterling. Now, what we're going to do for this example, we're going to purchase some Chainlink. We'll get on here. As you can see, the price has come down. That's nice. It is obviously in pound sterling, so it's £5.21 currently for Link. Then all we're going to do is we're going to come down here. So your limit order, basically, this is this allows you to basically change the price. So let's say, for example, you wanted to buy it at £5.18 a coin. Then we can put that in here and we can just basically go, right, we want to buy 11.09 Link and click buy, and it'll place that order. And that's fine. We can do that. Obviously, it's been down as low as 5.11. But what we're going to do for the purpose of this video is we're just going to use the market order. And the market order basically means you're going to buy it at this price here, live, basically, whatever the market price is. We're going to buy 11 Link, which is basically 100% of what the money that we have in here. We're going to click buy, and our order has now been filled. So if we go over to our wallet now, fiat and spot, bing bang bosh, and there we have it. We have 11.63 Link in our wallet now, worth 71.87. So there you have it. So thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful. Obviously, you can do different pairs in exactly the same way. So, it's an easy way to navigate Binance, and it's very similar on the app also. If you enjoyed this video, mash up that like button. It really does support the channel, helps push out the content to like-minded individuals. Do jump in our Discord. We have over 3,700 people talking about crypto 24/7, supporting one another, navigate this space safely. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.